Are you ready to transform your research ideas into solid proposals? Let's dive into the world of research proposal development. This journey is vital for every researcher. A well-developed proposal not only clarifies your research focus but shapes your academic future. The Student Research Proposal Development unit guides you in crafting proposals. This process requires refining your ideas through peer critique and feedback. Collaborative learning is at the heart of this unit. Engaging with your peers improves your skills and strengthens your research. Now, let's break down the key components of a research proposal. Your proposal must be concise yet informative. A clear title sets the tone for your study. Next, the abstract summarizes your research in 150,300 words. It should cover your research question, methodology, and expected contribution. An introduction frames your research problem. It highlights its relevance and significance. Clearly articulate your research aims and objectives in this section. Now, we move to the literature review. This segment demonstrates your knowledge of existing research. Identify gaps your study will fill. Next, your methodology must detail your research design. Specify the methods and strategies you'll use for data collection. Don't forget to address ethical considerations. Consider informed consent, confidentiality, and risk management for participants. After outlining these components, it's time for peer collaboration. Initiate group consultations and peer critiques. Constructive feedback provides fresh perspectives on your work. Remember to create a culture of respect during critique sessions. Make sure your proposal aligns with departmental guidelines. Familiarize yourself with institutional templates. Adhere strictly to word limits and submission requirements. These steps are essential to avoid rejection. Preparing for ethical clearance is crucial for research integrity. Understand the Institutional Review Board (IRB) processes. Prepare clear documentation for the IRB. This includes consent forms and risk assessments. Ensuring ethical compliance enhances your proposal's credibility. When presenting your proposal, structure your presentation logically. Follow your proposal's narrative arc from introduction to methodology. Use visual aids effectively to support comprehension. Time management during your presentation will help maintain clarity and engagement. During your Q&A session, anticipate questions and be ready to defend your choices. Transparency about limitations will build trust with your audience. Use concrete evidence to support your claims, and manage challenging interactions calmly. Finally, reflect on your positionality and the community relevance of your research. Show how your work benefits stakeholders and addresses local issues. Articulating this connection showcases your commitment to ethical research. To wrap it up, research proposal development combines clarity, rigor, and ethics. By following these steps, you'll produce proposals that are compelling, ethical, and feasible. Remember, always seek feedback, revise iteratively, and remain open to collaboration. Now it's your turn. Start drafting your research proposal today. Engage with your peers for feedback and refine your ideas. Your research journey begins here, and we can't wait to see the impact you'll make.